Let's get it. Do some wheelies. Or attempt to. I don't think I'm going to be able to.
Are you okay? Just a little clutch.
You reckon? Yeah. I'm scared. No! Oh. This is scary. I've never popped it up below 20 before.
Yeah, just do it like 10.
It just fucking throws itself though. I'm in second as well.
Yeah.
What the fuck? It comes up way faster though. I don't like it. Ah! Give it some more. Give it some beans. This shit's scary as fuck. You good? I see.
Whenever I drop back, it like wiggles, so I've got a little bit too high to start.
This shit's scary. The amount of throttle I have to give it is weird. Like it's, I'll get used to it, but it's kind of scary. How high are they? Because they feel really low.
They're decently high. I can take some pictures if you want in a minute.
If that's alright, yeah.
Move up, get used to it, and then I'll get some pictures.
It feels so sketchy. take my fucking jumper off quick. Oh, fucking hell! She's coming up and just going to the side.
You're gonna love me.
It's sick, but it's not high enough.
But it's a sick photo.
Yeah. Appreciate it. Oh, thank you. Even
Thingy.
yeah, that'll do. Okay. God, I'm getting hot. I'm surprised how much easier it feels already.
With that lower tyre pressure, or do you mean just in general getting used to it?
In general, it's still kind of moving about when I pull it up sometimes, but I just bring it down if that happens.
The higher you go, the more wobbles. That's why
Yeah.
the straight wheelies, like when you're not doing like circles.
That's how I crashed.
Oh, is it wobbled and?
Yeah, I was knee knocker going up like a hill, and then I got the wobbles.
Ah, shit. Yeah. That's what I mean. You change your PSI ever?
I usually drop it like 3, roughly 3, 4.
Like if you're doing straight line wheelies and you're not gonna do like circles and shit, loads of people do like 15 PSI.
Really?
Yeah. It makes this so much
I like to go fast as well though, so it's kind of dangerous for the corners.
Yeah, it's difficult. Because, I mean, track PSI is like 25.
Really?
Yeah, you lower your PSI when you're on track.
I did not know that.
Yeah. Because when your tyre warms up, it actually gains PSI.
Okay.
So when you warm up your rear tyre, for example, let's say it's on 25, it might go up to 30. Or if it depends on if it's a cold day, it might warm up even more, kind of thing, and gain more PSI.
I'm hoping you got the one of me looking.
Yeah. I got one just before you looked. It's a little bit blurry, so it's not perfect. I mean, your front end's nice and sharp.
To be fair, it's higher than I thought it was.
Yeah, that's almost parallel faults. And then you just start dropping it and then looked.
Ah, typical. That's still pretty cool though.
That's quite nice.
That is way better than I thought.
And that's the motion blur in the background as well.
Yeah.
That's fucking sick, man. Look at it, it's just very close to parallel.
I'm actually quite surprised. Because like I know how high I can get the wheel sort of thing, but at this speed I thought it was way lower than that. It definitely don't feel that high. No! Why is it like this? I'm not gonna do this. I don't think I can do it. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. It's not sketchy, but it's weird as fuck.
You had it, you were getting it up.
The bounce actually felt so much easier on this.
Yeah. It's because it's naked, you can just get like the wet, like, oh, really your one?
Was it high at all?
It's decently high.
It felt like it was like that far off the floor.
That's what I mean, you're probably used to dropping this, like, you get this higher and not feel scared because that's scary getting high. Do you know what I mean?
Nah, this is scarier.
You think?
Yeah, but that's because I'm used to that.
Yeah, it's because it's my bike, though. You're worried about damaging it. Just don't be worried about damaging it.
It's more about the different seating.
Oh, okay.
I've never owned a naked.
Yeah. It's a lot more chill, isn't it? How much was it again? £2 grand?
Right, fuck it.
£2 grand.
I'm gonna give it a go on mine. See, that's fun, but it's scary.
Yeah, warm your tyre up.
That one was decent. She's coming up to near enough where I can hold it without barely touching the throttle. Oh, it's so much better with the bounce. So much better.
I'm telling you. The bounce is the way to go.
Fucking hell. Like 2 minutes on a Grom has made a massive difference. What the fuck? I need a Grom.
I'm telling you. Longer than anything.
I'm worried though, I don't want to drop the bike.
What, your bike?
Yeah. Because there was one and it came up a little bit too high.
Yeah.
Or not too high, too fast.
Yeah.
And I got worried. It probably didn't even look sketchy, but
It felt sketchy.
yeah.
Well, that's the thing. We do things that, like, feel calm. And then other people do it and they go, how the fuck did you do that without being sketched out? Because we're used to it, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You slowly just build up your confidence. So, like, for example, I could barely get parallel forks like 2 months ago. Now I'm starting to drop back past it and slow stuff like that. But you just get comfortable being uncomfortable and then you get a new comfort zone. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, she's coming, she's coming.
Okay.